The eighth technology is 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, refers to various processes used to synthesize a three-dimensional object. In 3D printing, successive layers of material are formed under computer control to create an object. These objects can be of any shape or geometry. A 3D printer is a type of an industrial robot. Large 3D printers have been developed for industrial, education, and demonstrative use cases. The ink used in 3D printers can be glass, metal, synthetic material, wood, cement, and even tissues. Yes, human tissues that can be used to print human organs like kidneys. Today, if I have a bottle of water in my hand, I will say that the bottle was manufactured. But what is manufactured today will be printed in the future with 3D printers. Let's watch a video where a house was printed, yes, printed, in less than 24 hours. So gone are the days where houses used to be constructed. Houses are going to be printed in the near future. That's what 3D printing promises.
So having strong, sturdy walls, having a door that we can close at night, it's something that we take for granted, being able to lock our door and be safe. For many of these families, for years, sometimes even a lifetime, they don't have that opportunity to have a safe shelter. So when they move into a new story community, when they move into a safe home, families' lives are transformed.
Our first product is a 3D printer that can print a house in 24 hours for half the cost. Phase 1 for News Story and for Icon is a proof of concept house, and the good news is we've done it. We printed the first home in the United States that's going to be permitted. And for us, this is just the beginning. The real kind of home run for us is to be able to do what we've done here in Austin, Texas, in the developing world, and we're doing that in what we call Phase 2, which is in El Salvador. We are going to be printing an entire village for people that don't have homes.